old were you when you first started getting into it or realized that?
When I first realized that I need to... You okay?
Yeah.
Andrew's over here contemplating life while having hay fever. All the pollen just colonized his nose like Christopher Columbus.
All the flower sperm.
Opened it end of 2018, so player, it just reflects Jordan.
Why doesn't it reflect Jordan the player?
Because how many people wear Jordans and never seen Michael Jordan play in their life, whether on YouTube or what? Like, how many kids